You are going to love the tools that Google Read and Write, the Purple Puzzle Piece, has to help you with your research. Let's check them out. I've got a web page. It's all about polar bears, so let's do a little research. I'm going to click the Purple Puzzle Piece and check out the toolbar. So the tools we're going to look at are the highlighters, yellow, green, blue, pink, clear highlights, and collect highlights. So with research, I'm just reading and I'm determining what's important to me for my project. So when I find something important, I'm going to select it and I'm going to click one of the colors. And I can choose whatever color that I want to use. So if I want to use yellow for habitat and blue for food and pink for predators, I can do that. Whatever I decide, I can make the rules. I'm just selecting a few important points and I'm highlighting them like this. When I'm done, when I've chosen all my important points from this article, I'm going to click Collect Highlights. Watch what happens. It asks me what colors to collect, so I'm going to say collect all of them and click OK. And it creates a Google Doc in my Google Drive with all of my research, my important points. So only the important things, none of the stuff that I didn't want from that web page. Now, with my Google Doc, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a name, because it's just called Highlights Untitled, and that's a dumb name. So I'm going to give it a good name, and I'm going to call it My Polar Bear Research. Notice it also has the link to the website where I got the information, so that helps me make my bibliography later. Now, I'm going to take a look in my Google Drive, and there it is. My new Google Doc with the research from my one website, but let's just say I want to use 2 sources or more. I can do that. I'm going to go to another polar bear web page, and I'm going to choose an important point from that source as well, exactly the same way. Click the Purple Puzzle Piece and give it a color. Collect highlights. OK. And watch as it creates a brand new Google Doc. Now, I don't want 2 Google Docs. I just want my research in one place. So I'm going to take the information from this one, select all, Control A, copy, Control C, and click. And let's put it at the bottom, paste, Control V. Now I have my important points from 2 different sources in one Google Doc. The very last thing I want to show you, let's go back to my original website. I don't need these highlights anymore. They will go away if I click the reload page, or I can select everything on my page and click Clear Highlights. The next time you've got a little research to do, I want you to check out the Purple Puzzle Piece and use the research tools.